configuration.
So today I'm going to unboxing this HP
NV X360.
This is
Yeah, this it's a model number is here. Yeah, this is an NV X360.
okay,
And the specification is here. And this, it's an i7. It's an 1 TB SSD with 16 GB RAM, and it's an OLED display with you'll get stylish pen.
with NVIDIA graphics.
With NVIDIA graphics of 2050, 4 GB dedicated graphics.
And this is good for video editing.
Yes, video editing, photo editing.
And 1 TB hard disk.
1 TB
SSD has it. And also we have
OLED display.
OLED display
with 1.7 billion colors.
Yeah.
And it's coming with touch with a convertible, and it's coming with 5 megapixel camera.
Battery backup around.
Battery backup you will get by 9 hours, and the video playbacking you will get 9 hours. If you're talking about multitasking, you will get 5 to 6 hours for video editing, photo editing. And this is coming with iSafe certified display, and you're getting these accessories of the bag, wireless mouse, pen drive, stylish pen.
It depends upon the
depends on the models you'll get, but this model you're getting this accessories free.
Accessories free.
Yeah.
But it depends upon the platform to platform.
Yes. No, depends on the partner to partner, but it's free.
So I'm just cutting this.
Yeah.
So this is the brand new.
Yeah, this is a brand new laptop of the NV X360.
And this is not too much weight.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just cutting this. So it is silver in color, I think.
Yes.
Silver is color.
Like this. Yeah.
So 15.6 inch display, right?
Yeah, 15.6.
And it is coming with a good pack, right?
Yes.
And this is the battery.
This is a battery and stylish pen you'll get.
And this is stylish pen.
Yeah.
And this is the battery.
90 watts Type-C charger.
Type-C chargers.
Yeah.
And this is for 9 hours.
Yeah.
How many hours it will be?
It's a 90 watts power cable.
90 hours.
90 watts the power cable.
Yeah, means what is the power backup? If you're
talking about the backup of this, you'll get 9 plus of the video playbacking, and for the multitasking, you'll get 5 to 6 plus hours.
Okay. So sorry, take from here. So this looks very good, right?
Yeah.
And silver color. So
Backside is over.
this is the back side.
Yeah.
And here nothing too much written on that.
The information of the serial number and everything.
Everything is.
Yeah.
It is there, right?
Yeah.
And now I'm opening.
It's here.
So this is lightweight. So anywhere you can take, right?
Yeah.
Flexibility is good, I think. Now this is this. Okay, so it is coming with display. So this is NVIDIA graphics.
NVIDIA RTX
i7.
MS Office you'll get lifetime free.
Okay.
And this is a warranty sticker.
Okay, warranty sticker.
Yeah.
So and here how many ports are there?
And you'll get in a ports one. This is a USB, and you'll get 3.5 mm audio back, and this is an SD card. And another sides you have a ports of 2 Type-C ports. It's an Thunderbolt 4, and this is an HDMI, and again you'll get in a USB port.
Okay, HDMI port is there, right?
Yeah, HDMI and USB and Type-C ports with a Thunderbolt 4. 40 gigabytes for the second you'll get it for that.
This is the switch button.
That's in a power button.
Power button.
Yeah.
So this looks good.
And you can rotate the laptop.
Yeah, rotate.
Yeah.
Rotate laptop like this, full
Yeah.
rotate.
It's X360. It's convert within 360i. Now it's in a tablet mode.
Yeah. And now if I open this, this flexible is there, right?
Yes. It's coming with full of metal body.
Okay. So anything else before opening?
I think so. And these are laptop, and this is coming with, and one more special offer. This is coming with a premium speakers. Is the B&O. It's a Bangalore
Here,
option.
this is this one.
These are a chill, and the back side will be the speakers. These are speakers.
Okay.
These are speakers. One more speakers, and these are an airflow, and one more airflow will be here, the back side.
Oh, that's great.
And you can turn on.
So now you can start this.
Yeah,
laptop.
setup.
Turn on this laptop. So this is the turn off. So
Yeah,
battery backup is there, or you do not need. at
Just
the moment?
turn on, sir. Yeah.
So it started.
For the first time setup, it will take for the booting hours. After that, it will take less than 30 seconds for responding for unlocking.
Yeah. HP NV
X360.
X60.
X360.
X360.
Yeah.
Okay. And other this keyboard is very.
This is
Good
coming
touch,
with
right?
unique keys, and it's on a backlit keyboard, and it's having a camera shutter here.
Also direct.
It's camera shutter and mic mute button, and mic and audio and volume control. By brightness of the volume, brightness of the keyboard, you can customize here, and you
Okay.
can customize the brightness here, and you'll get an emoji key, and you'll get an hub key.
Touchscreen. This is touchscreen.
Yes, yes.
Touchscreen and. So this is the touchscreen.
This is a stylish pen.
So I'll open this.
One second.
That's this side.
Yeah.
So this is the touchscreen. So you will show me once it is set up.
After that setup, we'll try to operate this pen.
Yeah. So this is the.
For the
big
first
pen.
time, we need to do the charger for this. It's in a not battery. It's in a rechargeable pen. You can
Okay,
do the
okay.
charging for this. You
Charging.
can connect with any Type C charger.
Okay. This.
Yeah, you can use
Mobile
it.
charger, mobile
Yes,
charger.
any charger you can use it.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
The light.
Yeah, it's a charging. You'll get an indicator also here. If once it's full, you'll get a green light here.
Acha.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So okay, you will show me that. once
After that,
done.
we'll show you.
Yeah.
We'll do the setup for that.
Yeah. Setup. I'm taking this. You can take. So we have to select India.
And English India.
Yeah. English India.
Escape.
Okay.
It'll come here.
Now
You need to set the basic setup.
we need to connect the Wi-Fi.
We'll take that.
Okay, Wi-Fi. I forgot the password. So it is starting.
Yeah.
So before Wi-Fi, we can Wi-Fi is very connectivity is very good, right?
It's a Wi-Fi 6E.
6.
Yeah, Wi-Fi
Okay.
6E.
Okay. Any extra like fingerprint sensor? Is there?
This is coming with OLED, no? This is coming with two types of the security. One is face recognizer will be there. This is coming with 5 megapixel IR camera with noise cancellation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And another.
Another, you'll get in a pin. Instead of using the alphabetical, we have three types of security. One is alphabetical, another one is fin security, and the third one is face recognizer.
Okay. So
Instead of doing the fingerprint biometric, you can use the face recognizer for unlocking.
Okay. So we'll set up this one, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So need not to worry. The service person will come. They can set
If
up.
you have any issues, you can call this toll-free number, raise a complaint, means the technician will be visit within 48 hours after raising the complaint.
Okay. So if you stuck with anything, then you can call the
We
support.
have two types of support. One is WhatsApp support, and the next downside we have a toll-free number. You can support on this.
Sure, that's great. So it will take some time. So we are waiting for that. So oh great, it's coming as a. We can't connect now because this is password you have to send.
Any
Okay. Full name, right?
it's a device username.
Username.
Yeah, username.
So after the name,
It asks the password that you can set up it later. As you require the password, you can set up it later.
okay.
Next,
No, so
it will just ask for the privacy setting. You just need to enable all the things. And
okay.
next, accept. It will ask the first name, last name, and email ID.
Okay, that I have to put,
Yes.
right? Yeah, after giving your name, email, then it is coming
Like
the
this,
register.
we need to just select all these three
You have to select these three.
and next,
Next.
and that setup is final.
So setup is ready. Let's see, it takes some to set up. Its screen light is good. So can you off this light so that it can that one? Yeah. Yeah, it is blue color showing. Now you can show. So this is the after booting it is giving display, and this is as usual Windows 11, right? Home Premium, right?
This is Windows 11 Home Edition.
Home Edition.
Yeah.
And so can you show some what like activation of?
Just we need to first, after doing this, we just need to connect for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Just connect the Wi-Fi.
Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Let me check. So after Wi-Fi connection,
You just need to open like the basic setup need to be done. After that Windows 11 activation, it will come like this. After that we need to connect for an Wi-Fi. After that we need to first activate for an MS Office. Of these three applications you'll get lifetime free.
yeah.
Any
so,
of these three applications you can need to open and just.
So we need to give some information, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it is automatically opened, or we have to give some.
It's automatically. Its applications are preloaded. It just required to for the customer details. We need to enter and we need to activate for lifetime.
Okay. So okay, if I get a problem, then I'll tell you.
So it's in a digital license you'll get.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So can you show me now this digital pen?
So Wi-Fi is not coming.
Hmm. So this is the activation.
Yeah. After opening the Excel, it will come like this. You need to enter your details and we need to activate. That's
Okay. If I use the same details, the previous any laptop.
No, it will not come for this laptop. For these three, you'll get lifetime.
No, that is fine. But if I same user ID or
The same user ID and password, you can use it in number of devices that you do not have. But whatever the ID and password you enter in this device, you will get for lifetime.
So only I have to put this number.
Yes.
Right. So can you show me any sketchpad like sketchpad or how to use that one? Paint. Any other application?
You have a default paint. Otherwise, you can use it on the world also.
Okay.
The pen will be like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I just need to select any of this.
Okay.
And you can start doing like this drag.
Okay.
Something like that. If you can go this, any of this, and you can start writing also.
Acha.
Yeah.
So it will be so this is only for the paint, or we can
what
go
are
for
the sketching applications is there? If the photo editing ready, if you need, you will use the curves, right?
yeah.
Now instead of the same thing, you can use a pen in the same place.
Can you show its configuration? Means we go there configuration.
The configuration is this is a 12 generation i7 processor.
Yeah.
And it's in a 16 GB of the RAM.
Yeah.
And it's in a 1 TB SSD storage.
1 TB, right?
Yeah, 1 TB, and you'll get NVIDIA GeForce of RTX 2050 4 GB dedicated graphics.
Okay. Can you go to the folders?
File manager.
File manager. And
Yeah, this is a file manager, and you'll get 1 TB.
1 TB.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, the rest of the things we will do while the working. Okay. Okay, thanks. So, started this one, Microsoft Word. Keyboard is soft. So, long existing, right?
Yes.
Okay.